What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Teardown. I've seen a lot of this on YouTube. Sorry, didn't know what to say. Yeah. So what we're going to be doing today is I found this Among Us map version 1.3. It says Polis, and Polis is a pretty good map. So I'm just gonna load it up and we're gonna destroy stuff. You can see a few. Oh, what the heck is this? What is this? Oh, that's the map over there. Got it. Why is there a ginormous Among Us guy? What? Is this even complete? Okay, that's... Okay, sorry guys, I did not just test it out before doing it. Instead we're going to be going to a castle, I guess. Cool. Anyways, let's continue. I don't know why that was there, but now we're here. Okay, that's all that matters. Now we're here, in a place that we can destroy. I have added a few things, like this one. I love it. Black holes, lightsabers, Iron Man. Casual stuff. E, laser. Shift, I believe, is, hover mode. G is a scan. H to hide the HUD, and yeah. Good times, good times. Lightning bolt, minigun, found a snap. I don't know what this, this is just like useless. I don't know what to do with that. This may lag my computer, so I'm not going to use that yet. One of my favorite things to use, though, is the guided asteroid. I am an asteroid. I am an asteroid. You can see I just like moving around. It's really cool. Why is it now all of a sudden raining? It looks, wait, it's not raining. Wait, what the? But yeah, we have a lot of cool mods that we can test out today. And yeah, let's give it a go. Lightsaber, one of my favorite mods. I feel like everybody should try the lightsaber. Just force. It's not working. Oh, never mind. Here. Force pull. Hello? Why was that tree doing that? Hello, tree. You're now floating. Anyways, let's see what's here. I'm the king. I don't know what they were thinking. Anyways, let's see what we can do with this. Oh, that was a bad thing to do. I'm a bad boy. Okay, anyways, let's ignore that for a second. Let's gobble up this house with a lightning ball. Let's just not focus on what I just did over there. Oh. Okay, seriously, how do I not focus on that? Hang on, let's see what options there are. Why did I turn all this on again? Clean up stuck trace. Thank you. Performance. Close back hole with crow time reached. No. Close back hole with max size to reach. Yeah. Yeah, too small. I'll lag more. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Info. Okay. Oh my gosh. How do I close it? Right click. Open a launched black hole. Look. L and K. Oh my god. Wait, what is in here? Oh my gosh. Dude, that's like, there's only like tiny bits that I can come in and clean up after. That is amazing. Wait, can I not destroy these some parts? Because it looks like it's definitely missing some parts that it should not be missing. Hello everybody, if you have a black hole, you can get it under the map. Okay, I'm getting out of here. I'm closing this black hole. Wait, what does it look like? Okay, Oh my goodness. Okay, let's restart. Oh. Yeah, that was an experience, if I do say so myself. Hang on. I really want to put another one in there. Can I please put another one down? How about this? I'm gonna make the grow speed a bit smaller. Actually, a bit. Come on, I like stuff. I like stuff being destroyed. Like, Run, get out. What the flip? How is it already so big? It's not meant to be this big already. What the? Is it just me or did this one grow much faster? I will blast down the Black Hill. I guess you can't blast the Black... Oh! Okay. Oh. Okay, seriously, I'm not gonna do this anymore. That's just... Here, you know what? Let's go to this one. Because I know this one works. You can kill people in this one. This one's an actual Among Us map that I like. I don't know why I said that so confidently. The God mode has been activated, guys. Q to pause it, and yeah, I have a lot of mods on. So basically, sir, tell me about your time and skill. What are you doing? Please, I want to know more. Please, come closer. Duh! Oh my gosh. This lightsaber's a bit cracked if you ask me to say what I think it is. I think it's cracked. Come here, buddy. Don't ask. Anybody in here? Ooh, black. Sorry, buddy. Can I use it? Oh, I can. What does that do? What does that do? What were you doing? What were you doing here? Oh. Anybody else nearby? You know what? Next one I see, I'm gonna kill with a Thanos snap. He wants to die to a Thanos snap. Suddenly you, because you appeared. What's happening to him? What's happening to the man? You know what? Just because I can, I'm gonna get like the magic wand out. Abracadabra, Alakazam. Which one? Don't ask me why I got this mod. I don't know. Okay, seriously, what's the right click thing do? Hang on. Right click just now. Right click now, just freezing effects. Oh, okay. This thing really does not work very well. Anyways, laser gun. Cool. So, are you gonna die, or is he just gonna stay? Oh, that's fire. That is fire, buddy. That is fire. Oh my. Oh, okay. Let's. Hang on. I usually do this is a cool thing with the lightsaber break. See, just like that. Yes, I'm a Pokemon fan. You're not meant to be alive. Same with you. You're not even meant to be on this ship, you imposter. Is his face still there? He's alive! Oh, never mind. Green. Oh, I just skinned him. You okay, buddy? You alive? Not anymore, apparently. Anyways, I also have these other mods in Spawn. Hang on, let's see. What can I build? No, sorry, not build. Spawn. I can do this. Sandry script. I don't know what that is. Friendly turret explosive. Whoa. Oh, where's the Terminator? Oh, mods. Oh, Terminator. Here we go. No, not this guy. Escape abort. Oh, there we are. Let's just put him over there. Look at him. Look at the man. Look at that God mode on. You can't do nothing. I'm sorry, buddy. Where'd he go? Anybody know? Looking for target scanning. We are scanning the room. Mr. Stark, I feel so good. Good. I got my Is he somewhere here? Is he? Oh my god. Oh my. That looks. Wait, that's where the fire is? I don't know. It's not. What's this? Wait, what's that little black dot? Wait, what is this? Wait, can I grab this? I can. Come on with me, buddy. Ah, oh, that hurts. There. Am I in? No. Oh. Oh. Ah. 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 Oh, where am I? If any of you know, I'm stuck. Oh look, it's body parts. Iron Man might be too powerful. Wait, Iron Man being too powerful. Yes. Good, right? Oh, fully charged, ready to launch. Mr. Stark, I feel alive. Have you seen that scene on the Avengers? G, scan mode has been activated. C. E. Bzz. I forgot to show you C. Sorry, I just popped up there. Charge Unibeam. Where did it go? Charging Unibeam. Charging Unibeam! Is it actually in the movie? Unibeam. I've never seen that. Oh well. In all my time of seeing this mod, I've never seen that. Also known as, I just got this mod today. By the way, buddy, you better run. That's just sick. Anybody here? Wanna have some fun? Just in case you're not leaving. You're gonna be stuck in space forever. Good luck without oxygen. I'm just gonna get rid of this just for fun. I don't know what this is. I'm just kidding, I play Among Us. I know what this is. I used to play it, but just Skilled was one of the maps I played. Like, who doesn't play Skilled? Just what else do we use? Lightning bolt. I forgot to show you what that does. It absorbs everything in its path. Okay. 4. God of Light. I don't know what this robot tool does. If anybody knows, can I please get told? Because I don't know what it does. It just looks like a fancy hat. Oh, lucky. Did I hit them? Hang on, I'm going to quickly disintegrate that. That's cool. This is such a fun game. Hang on, let me do the brace be gone. It's starting to actually lag. The brace be gone. Here it is. Shift. Let's get that distance all the way up. And Alt. Let's get this way up. What the? Where did white go? Do 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 do. Yeah. Lead snipe. This is a good game. I don't know what that like. Pew, 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 pew. Anyways, let me quickly make a tightrope. Let's make a little tightrope, a tightrope, a tightrope. If you can't cross it, too bad. You will never cross it. Ah, Never mind. I will never cross it. I will just climb over. Wait, can they actually like get past the cable if I just do this? I've never seen them do that. Hang on. Does this actually like help? It's like I don't know. Just hang on. Hang on. Spawn? Scaled Among Us. Here we are. Here we are. If I just like, you know, chuck him in there. Haha, idiot, you can't get out. Haha, idiot. You ain't get out. I don't know. I don't know if he can. You think he can? Hang on, plank. Go there. Yeah, the plank definitely stops for me. Yeah, there we... Sir, you can't break wood with your body. That's illegal. I think we've done enough damage. Oh. What's this room? Like, seriously, what room is this? I have no idea. Oh, no, this is so too. Oh, sorry, I forgot. So, yeah, that's how you destroy Skeld. Hang on. Chair. Let's see if we can destroy, like, an actual... something like an actual sandbox map. Here, Villa Gordon. Well, I think that's what's called. I don't know because I'm not that good at this game. Anyways, I believe it's. I need to do in. Wait. Q? No, it's pause. E? No. W? No. R? No. B, C. C? V? Okay, so V is fly. B, X, C, and. See, I'm just trying to see which button activates my card code again. You know, oh, there we go, it's G. That makes more sense. Anyways, let's do a leaf blower. I'm gonna blow your leaves away. No, it didn't work. I have a feeling it did work. Hang on. Just to weaken the leaves first. You know, with an annihilator. You know, and then you use your leaf blower. See, there we go. Those little parts getting a bit stuck. I wouldn't want to be there if I was them. Oh, well. Anyways, let's continue. Wait. Hang on a second. I can shoot multiple black holes, right? Gate broken. Gate broken. What does gate broken mean? The dimensional gate? Is it now like a dimensional gate through space and time? Like what's happening? Oh my gosh. That thing is swallowing stuff. Gate broke. I don't know what gate broken means. Hang on. You know what? Nah, I'm just closing it. What does gate broken mean? Hang on. Is there actually like a broken gate? There's actually like a broken gate, isn't it? That's so broken. Wait. If I can launch black holes, what am I doing? Oh my god. Hang on. Unibeam. Fully charged. Just open a tiny little hole in the house. Okay, so now with this, now with this little tiny hole. Freeze time. I believe now we can check a black hole in this building right here. Sorry, gotta leave, gotta go. What, how did I just go through that glass? Oh, and there's no glass though. Please stop. I don't know if pausing time will be good or not. No hand. Hey, tried it. Get me out. Please. Unibeam, kill it. I I'll shoot the black hole. Why are you shooting that stuff near the black hole? I can't reach it. I repeat, I cannot reach it. Take hover mode off, please. Please. We trying to break it, guys. It does not work. Oh my god, it's broken. I'm frozen. Oh, the gravitational pull. Wow, guys, it's a big black hole. Wait, where's the other one? Did it break? Yeah, fly speed. Now, strike it with an asteroid. Strike it with an asteroid, quickly. It's the only way to beat it. Yeah! Shoot at it, shoot at it, shoot at it, shoot at it. Shoot it! Shoot it! Is the asteroid coming? I think the asteroid got swallowed. The only way to beat it is with its own creator. 4. I'll kill stuff around it. I know. It's gonna weaken it. No, it's gonna make it this is how you create a black hole, kids. Okay, so because of this immense insanely big black hole, wait. Hang on. If I just turn this up, what's gonna happen now? Nothing's happening. Are you gonna grow? Oh. Oh. It's okay. A sledgehammer will beat it, right? Okay, like seriously though, this is how you beat stuff. So if you ever want to kill anything really quickly, get a black hole. Point at the pool. Can't let that get away. Sorry guys. You had a pool. Oh, the pool is invincible. Hang on. This pool is so cool. Invincible. Ah! Take it. Wait, do you think I can freeze the water? This one. Oh well, Thanos, minigun, lightning, Iron Man, here we go. Okay, see maybe? Okay, here's my hub. Unibeam has been fully charged. Okay, seriously, why is my Unibeam not doing anything? I really hate when that doesn't happen. Like, when that happens. Hey, now I can feed the black hole. I'm just kidding, no. But yeah, I've had fun today. It's been a good video of melting stuff and killing. You know what, just to end it off with a bang, let's drop an orbital strike down. Woo! Ion cannon beacon. Anyways guys, see you all in the next one. You know, this can be my outro. See you all in the next one. And if you want to see the explosion, stick around. If you don't, just, you know, leave. Because, like, who doesn't want to see an explosion? Hey, can I save every... If you want to see this explosion, stick around. If you don't, get out. Anyways, see you all in the next one. Goodbye. Oh, that was lame. Oh, there was nothing. Oh. Sorry, guys. That's not the outro, okay? Don't leave, please. Okay, let's just get a better one, okay? I'm sorry. I thought that would work. Okay, let's put this one down now. This will take a few seconds. Let's leave. Please don't kill us for doing what we should not be doing this. Oh, yes. Should not be doing this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We should not be doing this. Not be doing? Oh, it's coming. Come back, hammer, quickly. Seriously though, hammer is close. See you all in the next one. Goodbye.